The ZRP police is officially admitted that Kariba Death Fake Boat is owned by President Mnangagwa, RIDA, and more than 120 people are affected. Nzana bena mashukono buda is an update. Atuna an update numda in ZRP you're watching ZRP update on the RIDA boat accident in Kariba. Don't go subscribe olega. But on the continuing press statement which was released yesterday, the 12th of August. A reference is made to the Zimbabwe Public Police social media posts in connection with the Rural Infrastructure Development Agency RIDA boat accident, which occurred on 11 August 2026 in the afternoon. The Zimbabwe Public Police confirms that 13 bodies have been retrieved from Lake Kariba, while 67 victims have been rescued and taken to Mahombe Kombe Primary School Command Center for medical attention and further management. Meanwhile, the search process is still underway for the missing victims. The Zimbabwe Public Police is still verifying facts on the exact number of people who were on the boat. The confirmed carrying capacity of the boat is 90, excluding the 5 crew members. Initially, the information availed to the lake captain indicated that the boat had 120 people who were going to Chalala from Kariba, 108 adults and 12 children. However, police investigation indicated that the boat could have been carrying more people. In this regard, more details will be availed as relatives are conducted while the search process continues. Doma developments are kuda pangwa ine pandoro kwa kwezi zvazvina kumira zvakanaka pangwa ine the ZRP pari kuverify the exact number of people who are being carried, but according to some of the crew members who survived, they are saying the boat was carrying around 153 people. Doma developments ari kubuda pangwa ine ari kuno kwakudzi chikepe ichi changa chaka overloada, and panguva ine tichiona kuti the number of people who are still not yet recovered and the number of people who have already died yazonekwa kunzi pakavhiwa. Pinda comment section medu dzafungira enyi muri kudii pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Subscribe, like, chitona bell icon.